Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Today we're going to learn how to make a butter rice. It's simply best side and available most of the famous restaurant in the United States, and it's going to be best side for any dish. So let's see how to make. So today I'm using Insania Instant Pot. It's really easy to make, so I'm going to show you the steps. So first I'm just go for the saute mode. Once it's hot, I'm just add some butter. It's about 1 to 2 tablespoon butter. So I'm just add the chopped garlic, about 2 chopped garlic, about 2 tablespoon chopped yellow onion. Just give a saute. It smells so good here. Now I just added the rice that I soaked. So today I'm using the parboiled rice. So parboiled have a nice bite to it. You can use any type of rice. I'm just adding the salt and I'm adding the broth. So you can use either chicken broth or vegetable broth. It's any broth is really give nice the flavor, or you can always use the water. Give a nice mix, and then once ready we can lock the lid. So just lock the lid and cancel the setting from the saute mode, and we're going to go on for the rice setting and just lock the pressure weight. So now it's ready. So you must notice, once the rice is ready, after the beat, release the pressure and make sure it's safe, and open the lid carefully. It's really hot, and you see that they have still remaining water, the liquid, and we're going to steam this liquid. Again, I'm using the parboiled rice. You not have experience if you use that different rice type. So this is the method if you're using the parboiled rice. So I'm just go for the steam setting for 4 minutes, and again it's ready. Release the pressure and wait until all gone, the pressure is gone. Look at this, friends. It's so perfect because we had the double cooking method. It's once we cook and we go for the steaming method, so you get like a nice single grain and soft and perfect. And I'm squeeze a little bit lemon, so it's really give nice lemony flavor on the rice. Now the butter rice is ready. Is the best side for all main dishes: chicken, fish, shrimp, or any salad. It goes so well and simply delicious. And this is a famous butter rice from USA. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.